My dad is my hero. A dad as a hero signifies a protector, role model, and source of unconditional love who sacrifices for their family and guides children in the right direction. He is admired for hard work, integrity, and ability to fix problems, offering emotional support and strength to help others. Key aspects of a hero father often include 1. Silent protector and supporter. Someone who sacrifices time, energy, and comfort to ensure his family's safety and well-being. 2. Role model of values. Teaching children right from wrong, honesty, and kindness through daily actions rather than just words. 3. Encourager and teacher. Someone who builds confidence, encourages posing through challenges, and support dreams. 4. Source of stability, an anchor who remains steadfast, providing guidance and security. Ultimately, a hero dad is appreciated for being a consistent, loving, and guiding presence in everyday life. This is Vanessa Vegas Dela Vlog. Thank you for watching and